How to buy and sell crypto with Bybit P2P full tutorial. If you want to buy and sell crypto with Bybit P2P, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Bybit application. Right over here, you can see a couple of options, but I want you to simply go to the More tab. When you go to More, you want to look for an option that says Buy Crypto. So right here, you can see Buy Crypto, and right here, you can see Buy Crypto again. So go to Buy Crypto. By default, what happens over here is that you will be on the one-click buy option, but you have to tap on it and change this to P2P trading. So depending upon whether you're trying to buy or whether you're trying to sell, the process is pretty much the same. Just select P2P trading that you would be able to find here, and it will take you to P2P trading. Over here, you want to complete this verification step right over here and just tap on trade now, and you'll be able to buy and sell crypto on particular Bybit platform using P2P trading. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.